Storm Riders 394 here, and I got an unbagging of manga that I just got in. So we are gonna open it up. So I'm gonna have to set you down for 1 second to open the bag up. You look up at the ceiling. I'll do this. There's the bag. Here's what I got. I got Aoi. I don't know really pronounce that. Aoi House Omnibus Collection 1. And as I said, I was going to get Kashimashi Collection 1 Omnibus. So let's get this open. With one hand. Don't think that's gonna happen. There's Kashimashi. The condition is very good, actually. Love that series. Go check it out if you like shoujo, or if you want to get more into shoujo. Watch this. Aoi House. I think this might. I don't know if this is shoujo or not, but it's more of a. Has a lot of fan stuff in it. But yeah, the artwork for this. I actually have no idea what this is. It just came with it, and it would be cheaper to buy this and this instead of just this by itself. That I saw at least. So that's that. Omnibus Collection 1 and Omnibus Collection number 1. And that's all. Thanks for watching.